Cadillac made rolling marvels of excess and engineering in the early to mid-20th century. General Motors, GM, squandered the awe and wonder Cadillac fans had built for the brand with a long string of bland vehicles that lacked the something special that many of its iconic models had previously offered. Things have changed over the last 20 or so years, and Cadillac now finds itself with an opportunity for reinvention with the stunning new Celestiq electric vehicle, EV. The hand-built Celestiq rides on GM's Ultium platform and features unique engineering to reduce complexity and improve structural rigidity. While the Celestiq is a car from a mainstream US automaker, Cadillac did not aim the all-electric sedan at its typical buyer. Cadillac says the Celestiq's price tag will start north of $300,000, making it the most expensive car the brand has ever sold. Cadillac will build every new Celestiq at its technical center in Warren, Michigan. The automaker says it will be the first vehicle ever produced at the historic site and notes an $81 million investment to support production. Only the people building the car have access to the manufacturing site, and only 6 cars will be in production at any time. That's likely plenty, given the level of customization and individuality Cadillac will afford the car's buyers. What's new for the 2024 Cadillac Celestiq? All new, hand-built flagship EV coming in 2024. 2 electric motors producing a combined 600 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. Standard Ultra Cruise hands-free driving. Production begins in late 2023. Pricing will start at more than $300,000. 2024 Cadillac Celestiq exterior. Though it utilizes GM's flexible Ultium platform, the Celestiq's bodywork features a unique construction that reduces the number of parts by 30 to 40 pieces. The car's fastback shape and sweeping lines are a throwback to Cadillacs of the 1930s and 40s and feature extensive use of carbon fiber. Cadillac offers 23-inch wheels for the car, giving it a dramatic, almost gangster car-like side profile. The Celestiq's body features several real metal accents, including the headlight and taillight trim, liftgate handles, and brushed aluminum side trim. The car's charging port features a ring LED light that gives a visual indication of the state of charge, and Cadillac integrated further charging status indicators in the headlights and taillights. Cadillac says it will use more than 1,600 LEDs per vehicle to create unique animations in various scenarios. Cadillac opted for electric doors that lack handles, which it says gives the car a more aerodynamic and cleaner appearance. An active rear spoiler also deploys at speed for better downforce and stability. Cadillac says it will work with clients to design the car and will even help create new paint colors if necessary. 2024 Cadillac Celestiq interior. Cadillac is pitching the Celestiq as an infinitely customizable car that exactly fits its owner's desires, similar to how Rolls-Royce markets its vehicles. Inside, that means buyers can choose almost any color, material, and finish they want, and Cadillac will build it. The automaker says it extensively relied on 3D printing for details such as the steering wheel decoration, which would be impossible to create through traditional methods. Builders can customize over 450 individual LEDs, and the interior features hand-wrapped leather surfaces and hand-finished metalwork. The car has a fixed glass, smart roof, that features 4 zones, each with its own shading mechanism. Called suspended particle device technology, the feature allows passengers to cloud the glass with the touch of a button. 2024 Cadillac Celestiq specs. Though it's an old-school luxury barge in the best ways possible, the Celestiq features breathtaking performance numbers. General Motors estimates 600 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque from the dual motor setup. A 111 kWh battery provides power and features all-wheel drive. Cadillac used specific gear ratios for the front and rear to optimize range and performance and says the car can reach 60 miles per hour from a standstill in just 3.8 seconds. In a testament to the flexibility of GM's EV architecture, the Celestiq shares a platform with the gigantic Hummer EV, Chevrolet Blazer EV, and the upcoming Chevrolet Silverado EV. Indeed, a $300,000 luxury car shares its underpinnings with a pickup truck. The versatile platform positions the batteries low in the car's floor to improve handling and maximize interior room. To keep the car's mass in check, Cadillac installed in the Celestiq an adaptive air suspension that offers a softer ride than most systems. The vehicle also comes standard with 3.5 degrees of active rear steering that turns the rear wheels opposite the front at low speeds and with the front wheels at higher speeds. The axle-mounted electric motors offer electric torque vectoring, and the car comes with active roll stabilizers that Cadillac says work against the forces exerted when cornering. Cadillac worked with Michelin to design 23-inch summer tires just for the Celestiq. The automaker says they combine low rolling resistance with better performance and steering response. They also feature self-sealing technology and foam inserts for a quieter ride. According to Cadillac, the 5-link front and rear suspension help keep the car in check and deliver a more isolated ride. The Celestiq comes with Ultium Charge 360, which includes access to over 110,000 charging stations. Drivers can access the stations through the My Cadillac app or the car's navigation system. Cadillac also says that the Celestiq has 300 patented and patent-pending technologies in its driver assistance tech and EV propulsion systems. 2024 Cadillac Celestiq Safety. Cadillac hasn't detailed the Celestiq's entire safety setup, but says the car will feature its most advanced sensors. A remote parking system will enable the car to navigate in and out of parallel or perpendicular spaces. The vehicle also has a connected camera system that helps with theft protection and crash recording. The Celestiq gets Ultra Cruise, an evolution of GM's Super Cruise that first debuted in the Cadillac Escalade. It will offer hands-free driving with lane changes and other functionality. It employs more sensors, works on more roads, and provides a more comprehensive view of the road around the vehicle. That said, it's still only classified as a Level 2 autonomous driving system, so the Celestiq isn't officially a self-driving car. 2024 Cadillac Celestiq Technology. The Celestiq has an incredible 55-inch HD screen, and Cadillac says it's one of 5 displays in the car's cabin. The front console features an 11-inch display, and the rear console gets an 8-inch screen for changing seating position, temperature, and opening the doors. Each front seatback comes with a 12.6-inch display, and the system runs with Google built-in. Maps, Google Assistant, and the Google Play Store are part of the package, but we expect Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, HD radio, SiriusXM satellite radio, and all of the other, normal, tech accessories. According to Cadillac, the Celestiq's climate system uses 33 microclimate devices that allow minute airflow, seat temperature, and air direction adjustments. All 4 seats come with neck scarf air vents, heated armrests, and heated, cooled, and ventilated seat surfaces. Cadillac equips the Celestiq with 41 speakers, including 3 on the car's exterior. The in-cabin audio experience comes from a 38-speaker AKG Studio reference audio system tuned by audio engineers. The system relies on 3 amplifiers and features 3D surround sound, conversation enhancement, and unique phone zones. At the same time, the stereo can work in reverse with active noise cancellation that helps negate undesirable sounds. Outside the Celestiq, the 3 speakers provide various propulsion sounds when the car is in motion. 2024 Cadillac Celestiq Competitors. The Cadillac Celestiq will not compete with the BMWs, Audis, and Mercedes-Benzes of the world. Its sights are set much higher, to the Bentleys and Rolls-Royces of the world. Both iconic ultra-luxury automakers are working on their own avant-garde EVs that will face the Celestiq directly on price and configuration options. That's both a blessing and a curse for Cadillac. On the one hand, the brand is probably excited and honored to have a car on the level of the models from those brands, but at the same time, it will be a chore to get some luxury buyers to accept the Cadillac name into the pantheon of greats. Cadillac is the source of information in this article. It was accurate as of October 18, 2022, but it may have changed since that date. Always confirm product details and availability with the automaker's website or your local dealership. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notification for video. Welcome to Shoppus Africa. Today we present to you one of our craftswomen, Halima Abdul Soumay. She was born in Morogoro. She started her business in 2018 by sewing huts, and then she expanded into clothing. She is a craftswoman and also an entrepreneur. She works with the trends of the market. When the bag market started to rise, she moved into it because she does what is trending, so that she can make her daily. Her designs are inspired by cultural references. Actually, she enjoys creating and selling cultural products. She is 32, and she is the mother of 3 children, Amina, Jura, and Zakaya. She has got a team of 3 people who are helping her. Her main is to reach out the target market, which is difficult because she has to make the bags and also looking for clients. From the precious products we see, Halima needs people who will value the products she makes. Our task is to make sure that Halima is seen by the people, and the people should support her by all means, making sure that she gets what she deserves. Visit shopusafrica.com to buy her products.